Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make classic cocktails. To begin, gather your essential bar tools like a jigger, shaker, and strainer. These ensure precise measurements. Next, stock your home bar with foundational spirits such as gin, vodka, rum, tequila, and whiskey. Always prioritize fresh citrus juices and high-quality mixers, as they significantly elevate the final taste. Remember, ice is not just for chilling. It also properly dilutes your drink, achieving perfect balance. Let's craft a timeless old-fashioned. Start by placing 1 sugar cube into an old-fashioned glass. Add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters and a small splash of water. Gently muddle these ingredients together until the sugar is mostly dissolved, creating a rich base. Now, pour in 2 ounces of your preferred bourbon or rye whiskey. Add a large ice cube and stir for about 30 seconds to chill and slightly dilute, then garnish with an orange peel. Next, we'll mix a sophisticated martini. First, ensure your martini glass is thoroughly chilled. This keeps your drink colder longer. In a mixing glass, combine 2 1/2 ounces of your chosen spirit, either gin or vodka, with 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth. Add plenty of ice and stir for approximately 30 seconds until the mixture is perfectly chilled. Strain the liquid into your cold glass and complete with either a lemon twist or 3 olives. Finally, let's shake up a refreshing margarita. Begin by preparing your glass. Moisten the rim with a lime wedge, then dip it into salt for that classic touch. In a shaker, combine 2 ounces of Blanco tequila, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur. Fill the shaker with ice and shake vigorously for about 15 seconds. Strain the vibrant mixture into your prepared, ice-filled glass and enjoy this zesty delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.